Today, samahan niyo ako mag-trim ng hair ng aking pusa. Gamit natin itong professional grooming shear set na kakabili ko lang. It comes with 3 scissors and 1 comb, all titanium coated stainless steel, kaya super durable and smooth gamitin. Usually, nagsastart ako mag-groom at inuuna ko yung tummy area kasi dito madalas nagbubol-bol ang fur, lalo na yung mga mahahaba. I just trim tangled parts gently para hindi masaktan si Kitty. Tapos next na yung paws nila. Kasi, dito minsan sumusot yung mga buhangin, cat litter, minsan nga mga dumi. So pag trim, mas malinis tingnan at hindi rin sila nadudulas kapag naglalakad sa tiles. Pro tip lang, make sure na tahimik yung place para hindi sila ma-stress, and also keep treats nearby para sa reward system para kalmado si Kitty habang nagugupit ako. And you have to groom your cats or even dogs regularly. It's just not about the good looks but also the comfort and the hygiene. And also this is the bonding time with your pet. And usually, pinagpapalit-palit ko yan. Minsan itong kunting and minsan yung resort. Kaso lang dun sa resort kasi medyo maingay kaya medyo nai-stress sila at medyo nai-stress din akong habulin sila pag ganun. So, mas madalas kong gamitin talaga yung mga scissors. Then, pagtapos yung i-cut, i-brush nyo lang the fur again using the comb na kasama sa set. At masarap to sa kamay in fairness kasi ang smooth ng glide, just hindi siya humihila ng buhok. And it helps spread natural oil sa fur para mas shiny at healthy siyang tignan. So if you're thinking of trying DIY cat grooming at home, this professional grooming shear set is definitely worth it. Ang ganda ng quality and it makes your grooming so much easier. So follow more for more cat tips, pet grooming hacks, and also home grooming must have.